Like super chemist. They always say, all inertial frames have the same physics. How can they all have the same physics? What's the deal there? It's basically like if you order cable, man. You got the standard package, right? The simplest package. Then you have 100 types of premium packages. They're all different. They're all whatever, you know what I mean? Yeah. The inertial frame is like the standard package. And the accelerating frames, they're all different. So, well, not all, some are the same to each other, but there's a whole bunch of them. And they have a whole bunch of frills and thrills. They're not the simplest package, all right? All inertial frames have the simplest physics laws with the simplest math. It's the simplest package that you can get from cable or from space-time, okay? Everything floats, okay? If anyone floats, that means you're in an inertial frame, man. So anyone in outer space, basically, anyone who's in outer space or free falling, they're just inertial, floating around. Yeah, that's the simplest math, the simplest package. You know what I mean? What doesn't give you the simplest physics and math? Basically, just one thing: acceleration / gravity, because gravity is acceleration, a type of acceleration. Why? Why does that screw things up? You have a ground. Nothing floats. You got an up and down. You know what I mean? Everything accelerates to the ground or is stuck to the ground. You have a lot more math and physics there. You know what I mean? You could have a lot of different variations, right? Just like with the premium package. There's a whole bunch of variations you can have. You can have this premium package that has this and that. You can have another, you know what I mean? Have another premium package that has this and that. That's what, because there's so many types of ways that you can accelerate. So many, you can accelerate faster or slower. You know what I mean? You can be spun around like this. You can be accelerated with a ship, by gravity. But this is your standard package, inertial frame. Everyone floats. Everyone has the simplest math and physics.